Okay, so here we are at Храм на Крови. Now this is the cathedral built on the place where they murdered Tsar Nikolai, his wife, and his children. They murdered them here and then they buried them in the woods, which we're going to have a look at. And you can see it's right kind of in downtown Yekaterinburg. So you can see behind me there's the skyline. And well, before we get to that, let's go check this out. So there you go, you got Tsar Nikolai, his family, and then the steps going up to the second level are the exact amount of steps they had to walk down into the basement to where they were murdered. So lots of thought and detail went into this.
Такой вид интересный. Памятник молодежи комсомола Урала, комсомольцам, а сзади церковь.
That's a little funny.